Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. In today's video, I am going to take these little pink plastic dollhouses that you can find at every resale store for $2-3, and I'm going to turn it into a haunted mansion. Stick around. I tried to post this video early so you have time to go find some of these little houses and get them painted and ready for Halloween. Other than spray painting these houses, I didn't do anything else. I didn't even film me painting the tiny little pumpkins and bats and ghosts that I decorated it with. It's a really simple thing. Anybody could do it. Get you a couple of these houses, go to Dollar Tree and buy a bag of the bats or the cats or the pumpkins or any of those things. Paint them up, get your kids to help you, and make yourself a haunted village. I start off painting the back sides or the insides. I cut one of them in half. It was a 2, so I just have two houses. Anyway, I started off painting those black. Pick up another dollhouse, a crazy, out-of-this-world dollhouse. It's perfect to be a haunted mansion. I then paint the outsides gray and then come back with some black to kind of highlight it. Now you be you. I'm just trying to give you inspiration. Paint these houses and decorate them any way you love. Clyde, you could probably get $15 for one of these. Look so scary and spooky and all around kooky. Time to dig through the Halloween stash to see what I might have from last year to decorate this village with. Black netting for sure. Lots of scary bits left over from last year. I just threw some paint at them and ta-da! Ready for the spooky village ride? I considered getting waivers signed because this is so scary. But as long as you're 2 feet tall, you can go on this spooky, scary ride. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.